When you are in the throes of an overwhelming emotion, it can hook you in completely. Mindfulness practice helps you notice when this happens. When you do notice you are feeling overwhelmed, you can use this exercise to bring yourself back to the here and now. It just takes a few minutes and extends an invitation to be present. Leaving the eyes open, notice 5 things you can see. You can say them out loud or silently in your head. With each of the 5 sights, pause to take them in completely. Next, notice 4 things you can feel in the body. Note them out loud or in your head, and rest your attention with each sensation for a few deep breaths. Name 3 things you can hear. Try to choose 3 different sounds, not the same noise 3 times. Note 2 things you can smell. If you cannot seem to smell 2 things in this moment, feel free to move somewhere to smell something more closely. Finally, find 1 thing you can taste. It may be the leftover taste of a meal, your toothpaste, or just your breath. If you cannot connect with one in the moment, note a taste you enjoy in general. Thank yourself for finding the time to reconnect with the present moment. Feel free to return to this meditation anytime you'd like to reconnect with yourself. We noticed 5 things with our sense of sight, 4 things with our sense of touch, 3 things with our sense of sound, 2 things with our sense of smell, and 1 thing with our sense of taste. See you next time.